Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring 15 of the coolest backyard gadgets and outdoor decor ideas on Amazon that can transform your outdoor space into a functional, fun, and relaxing haven. Whether you want to entertain guests, enjoy quiet evenings, or make your garden more efficient and charming, this list has something for everyone. From practical tools to decorative accents, each item has been chosen to maximize comfort, style, and usability in your outdoor environment. All product links are in the description for easy access. Let's dive in, starting with number 1. Number 1, rolling ice chest. Backyard parties just got a major upgrade with this rolling ice chest. Holding up to 80 quarts of drinks, it keeps beverages chilled and ready for your gatherings, whether it's a weekend barbecue, a picnic, or a summer pool party. The locking wheels make it simple to move anywhere, while a convenient lower shelf provides extra storage for plates, napkins, and other party supplies. With a built-in bottle opener and cap catcher, serving drinks becomes a smooth, mess-free experience. Drinks stay cold for up to 2 days, and cleaning is effortless thanks to a simple drain plug. This ice chest isn't just practical. It's designed to make hosting more enjoyable, reducing the stress of keeping beverages cold and accessible during entertaining. Number 2, Homenote misting cooling system. When summer heat hits, this outdoor misting system is a total game changer. It releases a fine, refreshing mist that lowers the surrounding temperature, making patios, backyards, or garden spaces much more comfortable. Beyond personal cooling, it's perfect for watering plants evenly across greenhouses, vegetable patches, or landscaped flower beds. The system is easy to install, adjustable for nozzle count, and works immediately once connected. Kids and pets will love playing nearby, while adults enjoy a cool breeze while reading, entertaining, or relaxing outdoors. Its versatility and efficiency make it a must-have for anyone wanting to survive hot summer days without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Number 3, garden walkway. Create a charming, rustic path through your backyard with these durable wooden planks. Not only do they protect your plants from being trampled, but they also add structure, guiding foot traffic while keeping mud and dirt off your shoes. Perfect for almost any outdoor space, these walkways give gardens a fresh, organized look. Easy to install and weather-resistant, they endure rain, sun, and snow without warping or rotting. Ideal for daily use or special gatherings, a well-placed garden walkway elevates the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space, giving it both function and style. It's a subtle yet impactful way to make your backyard feel thoughtful and inviting. Number 4, Goal Zero Skylight. Turn night into day with this portable, telescoping LED skylight. Rising up to 12 feet, it delivers a staggering 6,000 lumens, illuminating large areas like football fields, backyard gatherings, or camping sites with ease. The adjustable panels allow you to spread light evenly or focus it exactly where needed. Durable, water-resistant, and portable, it's designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. When paired with a Yeti 1000X power station, it can run up to 250 hours on the lowest brightness setting. This skylight is perfect for outdoor events, emergency situations, or any scenario where reliable, bright light is essential. Its portability and versatility make it a standout addition to outdoor gear. Number 5, solar watering lights. These clever solar-powered lights double as garden decor and functional watering tools. Mounted on a shepherd's crook pole for easy placement, they emit a soft, romantic glow perfect for weddings, parties, or relaxing evenings in the garden. Each light features 8 color-changing modes, from combination to chasing flashes, all adjustable with a simple switch. Solar-powered and eco-friendly, they charge fully during the day and automatically illuminate all night. Whether lighting a pathway or accentuating flower beds, these lights add both beauty and utility to your outdoor space, giving your backyard a warm and welcoming atmosphere without electricity costs. Number 6, rolling grill basket. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with this smart stainless steel basket. Perfect for vegetables, shrimp, or small cuts of meat, it ensures everything stays secure on the grill, preventing food from falling through the grates. The removable wooden handle remains cool to the touch, allowing safe handling while grilling. Its nesting design means smaller baskets and the handle fit inside the larger basket for easy storage. Durable, easy to clean, and thoughtfully designed, this grill basket makes outdoor cooking both safe and enjoyable, ensuring every barbecue is perfectly cooked without added stress. Number 7, Wagon Planter Box. Add rustic charm to your backyard with this multifunctional wagon-style planter. Perfect for flowers, herbs, vegetables, or small fruits, it combines decorative appeal with practical gardening functionality. Made from strong, treated cedar wood, it's weather-resistant and eco-friendly, giving your outdoor space a natural touch. Easy to assemble with included instructions, it's suitable for year-round use. Displaying your plants in a wagon planter not only protects the roots but also enhances the aesthetic of patios, decks, or garden pathways. It's a versatile, charming decor piece that elevates both style and gardening convenience. Number 8. Patio umbrella netting. Say goodbye to mosquitoes and enjoy your summer BBQs or evening gatherings without the hassle of bites. This breathable mesh screen easily attaches to your patio umbrella, creating a protective barrier while maintaining airflow. Crafted from high-quality polyester fiber, it's durable, lightweight, and long-lasting, providing clear visibility while keeping bugs out. Perfect for families with children or pets, patio umbrella netting enhances safety and comfort. Its simple installation and practical design make it one of those outdoor gadgets that quickly improves everyday backyard enjoyment without complicated setup or maintenance. Number 9. Nature's wind chimes. Bring the serene sounds of nature to your backyard with these beautifully crafted wind chimes. Each chime has 6 aluminum tubes tuned to a pentatonic scale, producing soothing, harmonious tones whenever the wind blows. Rust-proof and weather-resistant, they're built to withstand rain, sun, and snow, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. Beyond their calming sounds, these wind chimes act as decorative accents, adding style to patios, gardens, or porches. They also make thoughtful gifts for weddings, birthdays, or housewarmings. Imagine relaxing outdoors while gentle, melodic tunes fill the air, creating a peaceful, zen-like environment. Number 10. Wi-Fi digital smoker. Take your outdoor cooking skills to the next level with this smart electric smoker. Offering 711 square inches of cooking space and 4 chrome-coated racks, it can handle multiple chickens, turkeys, ribs, or pork butts at once. Its patented sidewood chip loader allows you to add smoke flavor without opening the door, keeping heat, moisture, and smoke inside for tender, juicy results. The digital Wi-Fi app lets you monitor temperature and meat probes remotely, providing precision and convenience. Ideal for backyard barbecue enthusiasts, this smoker delivers professional quality results with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Number 11. Solar hanging lantern lights. Light up your backyard with these charming solar lanterns. Each set comes with 2 lanterns featuring intricate stenciled floral designs that cast beautiful, patterned shadows at night. They provide up to 10 hours of light after a 6-hour charge in daylight, offering eco-friendly illumination for patios, decks, or gardens. The durable metal frame and IP65 waterproof rating ensure reliable performance in any weather. Hang them from trees or place them on tables to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. These lanterns elevate backyard aesthetics while providing practical, sustainable lighting for any evening gathering. Number 12. Pump water fountain. Enhance your backyard with a 2-tier barrel fountain that combines beauty and tranquility. Water gently flows from the pump spout into rustic barrel tiers, creating soothing sounds that help you unwind. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant materials, it withstands sun, rain, and temperature fluctuations without rusting. Its classic design, faux wood barrels, and bronze-finished pump add a charming country aesthetic to gardens, patios, or yards. This fountain is perfect as a calming centerpiece, blending visual appeal with natural sounds that create a serene outdoor retreat for relaxation or entertaining guests. Number 13. Solpex solar deck lights. Illuminate your outdoor areas with this 16-pack of solar deck lights. Featuring warm white LEDs encased in a stylish brown shell, these lights automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Charging fully in 4 to 5 hours of sunlight, they're energy efficient and eco-friendly. Ideal for stairs, fences, decks, pathways, or patios, these lights provide long-lasting illumination that enhances safety while creating a welcoming atmosphere. Simple to install with screws, they add both function and elegance to your outdoor space. Solpex solar deck lights are practical, attractive, and perfect for every backyard. Number 14. Smokeless patio fire pit. Gather family and friends around this modern 25-inch wood-burning fire pit. Its patented internal airflow system produces minimal smoke, providing warmth and ambience without the irritation of traditional fire pits. Crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel with a powder-coated finish, it's durable, weather-resistant, and built to last. The fire pit includes a stand and protective cover, offering a 4-foot heat radius, ideal for cozy nights, storytelling, or roasting marshmallows. Combining style, safety, and comfort, this smokeless fire pit is perfect for creating memorable backyard moments. Number 15. Electric and wood pellet oven. Finally, this dual-fuel 12-inch pizza oven lets you cook using wood pellets or electricity, giving both flexibility and authentic flavor. Reaching up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit with a 1,500W heating element, it bakes pizzas in just 2 minutes. The oven includes a 12-inch pizza stone, wooden handle, upgraded pellet hopper, and foldable legs for easy portability. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Beyond pizza, it's perfect for roasted meats, baked goods, or even artisan bread. Versatile, portable, and efficient, it's a backyard chef's dream tool that combines fun and gourmet results. And that wraps up our list of 15 cool backyard gadgets and outdoor decor ideas from Amazon. Each of these products combines function, beauty, and convenience, transforming ordinary outdoor spaces into entertaining, relaxing, and visually appealing retreats. Whether it's music from wind chimes, the glow of solar lights, or the cozy warmth of a fire pit, these gadgets make your backyard a true escape. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on more amazing outdoor and home gadget ideas. Comment below which gadget caught your eye, and share your backyard upgrades with us. We'd love to hear your favorite picks.